Today I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair at home using the Revlon one-step hair dryer. It's super easy, it's super fast, and it leaves your hair really nice and shiny and smooth, no flyaways. It also leaves it nice and voluminous. So if you want to see how I got my hair this smooth, then keep on watching. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. My hair is, I don't know, it's still wet, maybe like 40% wet. What I've been using lately is the Revlon, what is it, one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I got it on Amazon for $35.65. And this is seriously the best thing that I've ever bought for myself. I have a lot of hair and it's long and it's thick and it's curly. So if I were to try to blow dry my hair with an actual brush and a blow dryer, it would take forever, and it would just take forever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by sectioning my hair into two pieces, and then just put this out of the way. So, and then just bring my two pieces down. I'm going to brush my hair with my wet brush. And I did put in my heat protectant earlier. I did the Orbe Royal Blowout Heat Styling Spray. So I did that all over my hair. And so this is pretty easy. It has 3 settings: cool, low, and high. I usually just do high. And just turn it on. I like to go under, roll it to get the volume. And that's it. That literally took like a minute. And if you can see the difference, this one's so smooth. The ends are curled, but not too much. I like it like that. Before this, I used to let my hair air dry and then I would curl it, but my hair will still be frizzy, like at the top. But now I blow dry my hair with this, and then I curl my hair if I want to. I get another section. Again, separate it. Get it out of the way. Send this to the back. Split this in 2, brush it again. And just repeat the process. this is how my hair looks so far. If you can tell the difference already, so smooth. There's hardly any flyaways. Now, the only difference that I do with this part of my hair is I blow dry it all forward. Everything going forward, and that's just going to give you the most volume. And that's all I do. So this is how my hair turned out. As you can see, it's all nice and smooth. There's no frizz. It looks all shiny. And that literally took me like 30 minutes, if that. And it was super easy. My arms don't hurt or anything like that. The brush is not heavy, so it won't hurt your arms. Now, if I wanted to curl my hair, you can just curl it after this.